Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher, White, is a compact ENERGY STAR certified countertop unit, ideal for dorms, RVs, and apartments, boasting 6-place settings for 2 to 3 people. Fitting up to 70 pieces, including 10-inch plates. Measuring about 17 to 20 inches, it requires simple faucet hookup, adapter needed, or optional tank models for no install freedom. Standout features include 8 versatile programs, speed for quick 30-minute washes, baby care with 160 de sanitization, EKO for efficiency, just 5L water cycle, glass for delicate items plus heavy, normal, rinse, and mini party. Dual 360 spray arms ensure thorough cleaning, while high heat cycles air dry with auto opening door, LED display, child lock, and quiet 52 dB operation delivers sparkling bone-dry results. Pros dominate for solo batch couples. Exceptional stain removal on BBQ sauce or oils. Water savings, 1-3 hand washing. Portability and ease. Users rave it's a lifesaver, keeping sinks clear effortlessly. Quiet enough for TV viewing, it excels in tiny kitchens per Serious Eats tests. Cons include limited capacity for families, multiple loads needed, 1 to 2 hour cycles, and plastic build feeling less premium. Some report draining errors, E4, leaks, or heating failures post-warranty, plus rinse aid dependency for spotless dries and finicky adapters. At $300, reliability varies, but the positives outweigh for space-strapped users. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.